and welcome back to my Slime Rancher series that I will be uploading daily. So we're gonna load into, where is it? Here we are. Yeah, I had a lot of Slime Rancher stuff in the past. And if we finish the series by the time if we don't finish this series by the time Slime Rancher 2 is out, I will do a modded Slime Rancher series for a bit. Okay, so we unlocked the moss blanket last time. Now I want to unlock the indigo core, or at least try. Okay, we're with Victor. Ooh. Oh, lucky me, it's night. So I'm gonna go collect a couple more of these phosphorus slimes, and I think that'll be it. Oh yeah, I also need some rock slimes. Luckily phosphorus slimes spawn. That's nice. I only have 5. Need 6. Go down here. See if I can find any. And I only have like 2 minutes left until it's day. Oh. I don't think he needed tabbies. He needed rocks. Okay, well, anyways, we are... Oh, hello there. You'll leave. Okay, well, I'm gonna collect. Yeah, I'll. I need a bunch of them. One for right there. One for over there. Start a boom slime colony. But yes, this is the third episode. We're gonna go to the moss blanket. First one. Let's see. And oh yeah, there is a Gordo. That's not good. Yeah, they hurt. So I'm not gonna go near them. Puddle slimes. I don't think rock slimes spawn over here. That's a tabby. Ah. Oh, boom slimes. Arcane. Huh. Wonder what that means. What's Plus, I only came over here for the there's a gold slime. I could have gotten a gold flip, but I didn't have any fruit, food, something. I can always come back and get more of these, so I'm gonna spit them out here. This is mint mango. Okay. I got 3 of them, so that way I can keep them. Ooh, these things firewalls. No, I need an air net for 2. Unfortunately, I don't have $425. Or I guess they're called new bucks, not dollars. Coins, yeah, sure. Well, I know this is kind of boring, just me doing quests, venturing out, exploring. But you know, this is all part of the game. Once I'm further in, I'll do some more crazy stuff. All the features. I'm not just gonna limit myself to adventure mode, you know. Maybe I'll do rush mode or something like that. But I gotta just get further on in this. Ow. One. Just gonna go around with the rock slimes. Make more of yourself. Now, this pink boom slime should start making more quartz. Making... Really? Other no? The rock slimes? Oh yeah, earlier I said that I want to unlock the Indigo Quarry. You guys might not know what it is, but it's the, you know that cave over there? Yeah, it's the Indigo Quarry. It's a whole new part of the map. I haven't found that map thing for the, what's it called, moss blanket yet, so, yeah. I've only seen one actual rock slime. There's no actual rock slime spawning. They're just not here. They just disappeared. They're gone. I don't know why. This won't spawn. Like carrots. Now this guy should make like a boom core, and you can eat this. Now there's two. Then you can eat a carrot. Okay, let's the rock slimes, and why won't they spawn? Yes! I want this dry reef to have boom slimes as a new species here. And it's working. Oh, new upgrade. That just been unlocked. Ogden. Oh. Further on, as I was saying, it takes a while to like have more than just like this part of the ranch and that's it. This takes a lot of time. And I'm not trying to take my time, but it takes a lot of time for me to do this. So I'm gonna purchase a pond and a garden. Put that there. I'm gonna get an air net and a solar shield and put these two fellas in here. Like they keep getting out, so I'm gonna get an air net here. Then the pond doesn't have any upgrades, does it? No. Okay. Then I'm gonna purchase soil for this, because I know that I have like this growing right here for the heartbeats, but those can get me food for them, and these guys love this food and they'll give me more money in their plorts. I don't know if that makes sense, but it makes sense to me. I'm sorry, Ogden, but I'm gonna sleep until morning. That's gonna waste some of my time. Yeah, I have 5 minutes left, but now I should have a whole batch of this. So I'm gonna feed these 2 or 3 guys. I'm gonna give Ogden that. It looks like I'm unlocking a lot of upgrades for my backpack. Did I just say backpack? A backpack. This episode might be a little longer than most. Or like, because I'm gonna expand it a little bit past maybe 20 minutes, you know? It feels like I'm taking up a lot of your time, but this is, I'm just trying to have fun. And I'm just trying to progress the game so that we're to the point that we want to be at. Like you guys can watch me do all of the fun stuff that I have planned to do in this series, but for now we're just kind of stuck right here. I know I've mentioned it, this is the 3rd time I've mentioned it, but seriously, I kind of feel like I'm wasting your guys' time with boring content, but really, I'm just trying to get mangoes. trying to get a plort collector. I'm just trying to start up stuff. Like further on, I'm not at the point where I can really do that kind of stuff yet. You know, I still kind of just started. Yeah. I'm sorry if it feels like I'm wasting your time. I feel like that, but please just. I'm just happy that you're watching it. As long as you're watching it, I'm happy. Doing this like for money, no. I'm not doing this for anything but maybe but just to have a fun time and let other people enjoy what I like to do. Some people do this for a living. I don't plan on doing it, but I plan on doing it a lot. How are you doing? Get our yeah. So I'm probably gonna end it off here at about 24 minutes. I really hope you guys enjoyed. We're on day 6. We've discovered the moss blanket, and we're hoping to discover the indigo quarry next. And I really hope that you enjoyed this time with me. And yet again, I only do this to help other people have a good time, for me to have a good time. Yeah. So you don't have to like or subscribe. I just have to know you're there. All you have to do is just watch. I would very much appreciate it if you shared it with your friend, as it would mean a lot to me just to have people actually knowing that I'm here and I'm doing stuff. And it would really make my day if you also liked and subscribed. But of course, you don't have to do it. And if you do, you can always unsubscribe later. I don't really mind. But yeah. I think I'm going to end it off here for now, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.